Assalamu alaikum my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you guys are having great days. I'm also having the best days of my life, Alhamdulillah. Today we are gonna review these QCY ArcBuds that my elder brother gifted me and I'm so happy, Alhamdulillah. The price is 2100 Taka in Bangladesh. First of all, just look at the packaging. It's clean and simple with a nice big creative go beyond slogan. These birds have so many smart sensors. Just tap 3 times on the right side and it will switch to the next naseed or even your favorite surah. Hold the right bird for a few seconds and you can easily control the modes. Turn ANC on or off or switch to pass-through mode to hear what's happening around you. These are true wireless earbuds with active noise cancelling, which is pretty cool at this price. It says it has 40 dB mixed ANC and 4 different noise cancelling modes. You also get 6 microphones for better calling, so your voice should sound clear. I love the small design. The buds fit nicely in the ear and is comfortable to wear. The sound quality is decent for Quran recitation, online classes, nasheeds and calls. Definitely good for the price. One thing I noticed is that the build quality feels solid and the case is friendly to the pockets. The color is also nice and you will not notice any scratch in it. Battery life is okay too, but I will try to update you guys after using it for a few days, inshallah. Overall, I think the QCY ArcBuds are a good budget option for anyone looking for ANC earbuds under 2500 Taka. Do not use your AirPods or headphones for too long, it can damage your hearing. So what's the solution? Well, the solution is take a 5 to 10 minute break after every 30 minutes of listening. You may ask, is using ANC or active noise cancellation okay? Is it harmful? And the answer is it's okay to use noise cancellation mode cause you will need less volume, but when you are in the outside or in the road you must not use AirPods or headphones to avoid serious injury. I'm talking to you through my QCY ArcBuds right now. This is a mic test. Let me know if my voice is clear or not. I'm speaking at a normal volume away from my phone. I hope it's good enough. That's it for today's short review. Let me know what you think and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.